how to redeem a Target gift card online. Whether you got one as a gift or you're using a reward card, it's super easy to use it for your next purchase. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to www.target.com. If you haven't logged into your Target account yet, simply log in. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on account and then create account. Once you're logged in, browse or search for items you want to purchase. Add your desired items to your cart. During on the cart page, review your items and click on checkout. During checkout, you'll be prompted to enter your shipping information if you haven't already. Follow the steps until you reach the payment section. In the payment section, look for the option to enter a gift card. It's usually labeled as gift cards or promo codes. Click on that option. Enter your target gift card number and the PIN code. You'll find this information on the back of the card. If you have multiple gift cards, you can add them one at a time. Once you've entered the gift card details, click apply to redeem the card. The amount on the gift card will be deducted from your total purchase amount. Review your updated total to ensure the gift card amount has been applied correctly. If everything looks good, proceed with the rest of the checkout process to complete your purchase. And that's it, you've successfully redeemed your Target gift card